Mango, often referred to as the king of fruits, is not only a delicious tropical delight but also a powerhouse of nutritional benefits. This vibrant fruit is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a remarkable addition to a healthy diet. Here, we explore the various medical benefits of mango that contribute to overall health and wellness. Nutrient-rich profile mangoes are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. A single serving provides a significant amount of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune function and skin health. Additionally, mangoes contain vitamin A, important for vision and skin maintenance, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. They are also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion. Boosting immunity. One of the standout benefits of mango is its ability to boost the immune system. The high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants help fight off infections and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Regular consumption of mango can enhance the body's natural defenses, keeping illnesses at bay. Aiding digestion. Mangoes are rich in dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and can prevent constipation. The presence of digestive enzymes, particularly amylase, in mangoes aids in breaking down carbohydrates, making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. This combination of fiber and enzymes makes mango an excellent food choice for promoting a healthy digestive tract. Supporting eye health. The rich vitamin A content in mangoes is essential for maintaining good vision. This vitamin is a precursor to retinol, a pigment in the retina that is crucial for low light and color vision. Regular intake of mango can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and other eye-related issues. Skin health benefits. Mangoes are not only beneficial when eaten but also for skin care. The antioxidants and vitamins present in mangoes can help improve skin health. Vitamin C contributes to collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Additionally, mango pulp can be applied topically as a natural face mask to hydrate and nourish the skin, reducing the appearance of blemishes and dark spots. Weight management. For those looking to manage their weight, mango can be a satisfying and nutritious snack. Despite their sweetness, mangoes are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness. The natural sugars in mango provide a quick energy boost without the crash associated with processed sugars, making them a smart choice for healthy snacking. Anti-inflammatory properties. Mangoes contain several compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as quercetin, isoquercitrin, and astragalin. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease and arthritis. Incorporating mango into your diet may help mitigate these risks and promote overall health. Cardiovascular health. Consuming mangoes may support heart health due to their potassium and fiber content. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure levels, while fiber can help reduce cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in mangoes also contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system by preventing oxidative stress and inflammation. Conclusion. Incorporating mango into your diet offers numerous medical benefits, from boosting immunity to promoting healthy skin and aiding digestion. This delicious fruit not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also provides essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. So, whether you enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, or as part of a salad, make sure to include mango in your regular diet to reap its many benefits.